If you are a beginner, you need to know this. A great artist will not necessarily be a great mentor. What do you understand from the screen? If I'm a great artist, see, this is how it is. And if you just check it, because of the animation principles, it has to be 3/4. And here, if you see the feast, it should feel like the complete feast. And according to the balance of the pose, this is like, if you see the animation principles, it has to be more balanced like this. Now, as a beginner, you might not have understood my language. If a mentor has to explain the same thing, whatever we watch in the theaters, that is the only thing we see. We don't see anything which is behind that. So the perspective view which we have in our Maya, that does not matter at all. So whatever matters, it is what the people will see. People will not understand what the character's expression is. And that is the reason you should have always the face in the 3/4 angle, so that people can actually see the 3/4 side of the face, where they can actually understand the expression of the character, what is the mood of the character. This is how a mentor will explain you. Have you got the feedback like this? If not, then it's high time for you to actually find the right mentor for your animation career. So which one did you like? Learning from a great artist who has a great quality of animation work, or learning from a great mentor who can explain you the things really well? Let me know in the comment section. For more such videos about animation, follow me.